Hello everybody. Well, in this difficult time, I hope you are all keeping well. Now, vaccination of your children is a very important issue. We understand that vaccination is essential, but it's not an emergency. So please do take care while you decide about vaccinating your child. If you have your own vehicle, if you can approach the vaccinating center of your doctor easily, then definitely you can plan a vaccination. But mind you, there should not be overcrowding in the vaccination area. You should not wait there for a long time. There should be adequate social distance. And when you visit the vaccination center, please take one person along with the child only. Do not make a crowd. Wear proper mask. All the children above 2 years should wear a mask. And do not touch any surface in the places where you visit, like the doorknobs, the tables. You can also avoid weighing your child, because that also is a source of infection through contact. Always keep social distance. Use mask when you talk, and do not try to make the child agitated, irritated, or start crying. Try to calm the child and make your visit as brief as possible. Rest of the discussion can be over telephone or WhatsApp. So please do proper precautions and be careful while you go for vaccinating your child. Do not take anybody who is above 60 years to a public place where others may also come for vaccination. Now, about the importance of the vaccine. Well, when a baby is born, the first vaccines like BCG, hepatitis B, and oral polio should be given at the place of delivery itself. That minimizes a visit. Then the vaccines at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks are important. If it's possible for you to travel, then preferably you please start these vaccines, as all the vaccines given in this period of time, like the triple antigen DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus, they are important for a baby, along with the injectable polio vaccine, which comes in a combination. Along with that, Hib and hepatitis B are also given. So these 3 doses are important for the baby. Together with this, the rotavirus vaccine, which is given at 6 weeks onwards, has a very strict time frame. So preferably it should be started at 6 weeks. Another vaccine which is given during the same period is pneumococcal vaccine. So this whole vaccination can be done in one sitting, each at 6, 10 and 14 weeks, which if possible is you please try to follow. Now, even if you can go to the vaccinating center for once and give a single shot of these vaccines, that also gives some protection, and you can delay the later vaccines, but of course after discussion with the pediatrician about the time gap between vaccination. Now at 6 months and 7 months, the influenza vaccine is given. Influenza is another important vaccine because it causes viral respiratory infections. Now in this time, the child better is protected from the viral respiratory infections. And again, the 9-month vaccine, which is MMR, contains measles also, which is also an important cause of respiratory infection. So all those vaccines which prevent the child from a respiratory infections are better if given at proper time, like the PCV or the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, then the influenza vaccine, then the MMR vaccine. These are all essential. If possible, please do administer these vaccines. Now the vaccines which come at a later stage, like the typhoid vaccine, then the hepatitis A vaccine, this can wait. Because this, if you delay for a few months, that won't cause a big problem, because the child is homebound, the children are not visiting the hospitals, and children are not going to school, so their chance of cross-infection is minimal. So you can delay this vaccine a bit. But mind you, all the vaccination efforts should be minimum risk taking. Another important aspect, even if you have an older child and you can visit a vaccination center, then also you can give many vaccines in the same sitting. That will not cause any side effect to the child, nor will decrease the effectiveness of the vaccine. So even 2, 3 or 4 vaccines you can all compile on a single visit to minimize the multiple visits in a vaccination center. To sum up, the vaccines are essential, but please do not rush, please do not panic. Consult with your pediatrician at your convenience, at his convenience, with a proper facility, with a proper time and proper precaution. You can go for this vaccination. Please do take care and stay safe. Thank you.